Hi, hello everyone. So welcome to my new video. So this time today we are making to how to rig 2D textures in Unreal. So here you can see this is my output. I have used some 2D texture expressions as one single image textures. So this I have connected in Unreal using control rig. So today I'm going to show how I actually how I made this and the process so that you can use it in your personal work or any kind of things which you like to do. So let's get started, guys. I will put in the description so you can also use it, which is called Sprite sheet generator. So this is a simple one. It's free. So you just have to browse some images. So let me show you. Let's copy the path. Yeah, for example, these are the textures. Okay, so I took some around six textures. You can take how many you have. So if I just open and see here, he has aligned them into one single texture. Okay, and then I can download it. And if I check, see, so it has given me one single texture. And this single texture, if I show you, I have applied it in Maya. In Maya, so for every one I have applied every different texture. So if you see where it is, yeah. So if you see, this is for eyebrows, for the eyes as well, like for the mouth. So it is very easy to do it. So yeah, in Maya, what I did, I just applied normal simple material, okay, and the textures, and for that you need to do your UVs properly in Maya. If you see here, okay, so I just UV them properly, and when I shift my UV coordinates, okay, so it is changing expression. All right. So like this, like in Unreal also, like I'm using this and I'm driving it through a UV space coordinate. Okay, through UVs we can do like same in Maya, but in Unreal, like it is little bit different that I will show you. So this I applied, this I have done for all the expressions and all. You can also do it. So yeah, now let's go back to Unreal. Okay, so here what I did first, I made a material. Okay, this is my material. So here these are the textures. Okay, if you want to make a material, you can make it. So in this, what I did, in this material, I made it as a translucent. Okay, so I get this opacity. So I like in the textures, these textures I've connected with RGB to base color. And with that, I've connected to alpha to opacity. If I disconnect, it will come like this. So I've connected like this. Okay, and here down I have made some connections so that I can move my textures into UV space, like one by one it should slide, like from 1 to 2 to 3 as an integer value, or as a mostly if you use as an integer it will be very nice, so you can get the exact proper texture quickly. So for that, what I've used this texture coordinate node in the material palette. If you search, this is the one. Okay, and I've used one constant which comes in the palette. If you say this is a constant, okay, I've used that and converted into a parameter, mouth. S- okay, so this mouth I can call it in my control rig, so that it will be easier to connect. So here I've taken one divide node, so it's dividing the value and is appending, and then he's again adding this. And Here in the divide b, I've left this 11. Why? Because it defines like how many textures I have. Like in a single image, if you see here, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So for different, I have like I have defined like I have 11, I have 10, or I have 6. So here you can like define it. So here if you see all the I have, for everyone I have made it. Okay. So yeah, so here are the parameters. So after doing this, there is one more thing you have to do, is that go to your mesh. In your skeleton, in your add curves, there will be like nothing will be there if you have like imported any plane shapes, or like we call it as a morph target. So that will be there, but like for here, if you need to add any curve like to connect it in a control link, you can just right click, add, and add a name. So for this, what I have done, like for the mouth, I have given the same name which I have given here. Okay. So yeah, here is the same name, and by default these all will be ticked off like this. Okay, so I have ticked it on so that these curves I can see in my control rig for like setting the curve value and all. Okay, so after this, let me create one again a control rig so that you can clearly see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is control rig, your control rig editor. So let me import my Lego character. Okay. So in your curve container, if you see this values which I have or defined here, it is coming here so that I can simply connect it like how I did here. If I show you like my facial connections, not this one. Yeah. So here I am like connecting the curve value directly to the 2D textures as an integer. So that's why it's like coming like this. Okay. So here how you can do, like simply you can just first just create one, go to right click, new controller. Okay. So and I will place it somewhere here. Okay, and just right click and do set offset for transform, so that it will take this as the initial value. Okay, and now here what I can do, like I want it to be an integer slider, like here I have. So what you can do, just select the controller and go to details. In the value type, just change it to like integer, so you will get this big line. Okay, and you can shorten also by just go down. You have the value minimum and maximum. Maximum is 100, but we don't need too much because we don't have that much of textures. So I will keep it around like 10. So if you see, yeah, now it's short. Okay, and I will go down and change it to a, for example, a sphere, and scale it to zero point 0.5 something. Okay, so here I have gotten this integer value, and now I want to like connect it to my texture. So I will do for the mouth is simple, just you can just get controller. Okay, just to get controller and tap and choose set curve value. Okay, so in this you will see my all the curve value which I have already added here. Now it is coming here. Okay, so what I can do, I can directly just connect my integer value to my, this is a float value. Okay. So what he will do, he will convert it into an integer to connect it. So this is a converter. Okay. So now when I just connect my forward solve and do, and if you see, oh, it's not happening. Yeah, because why? Because here I haven't defined to which one it should connect. It is by default none, so it is not happening. So if I connect to like for my mouth and again compile and see, it's working. So like this, like I have done to my all the like expressions, eyes and eyebrows. If you see here, it is same, taking the integer value. Okay, the control is an integer, So like this I have set it up. So yeah, you can also like do it like this, or if you have a much more better way, please do let me know. I would love to like learn new techniques from you guys as well. So yeah, so this is it for like how to rig it. So if you have any like doubts or anything, any question, you can like ping me on my LinkedIn. In the description I will leave my LinkedIn ID or Discord ID. You can connect to me, so I can show you again like how I did, or can show you the setups, we can like discuss and all. So yeah, so hope this was helpful for you guys. So next I will make a video on how to like make this controller shape. Like this controller shape is not in Unreal. So this is I made it in Maya, and I am calling it in Unreal. So next I will show you this how to do it in my next video which I'll make. And okay, so I hope you like it, so please like and subscribe my channel, and so that I can grow and make more videos and all. So please let me know if you have anything. So thank you so much.